Welcome to 5-Minute English Lessons with Jim. I am Jim, and thanks for having a look. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about reporting verbs. A reporting verb is used to indicate that someone is communicating something to someone else. It's used to introduce what someone has said or written. Let's look at the most common reporting verbs, and let's bring in older Jim to help out. Say. Say is by far the most common reporting verb. You'll hear this a lot. People will ask you, what did she say? What did he say? Right? It is used to report the content of a message.
I'm tired.
He said he was tired. Tell. Tell is used when you want to report a message that someone has communicated to another person. Maybe you, right? Maybe your mother, maybe your girlfriend or boyfriend, doesn't matter.
Hey, I got a new job.
He told me he got a new job. Ask. Ask is used to report a question by someone else. What did she ask? What did he ask?
What time is it?
He asked me what time it is. Explain. Explain is often used to introduce that someone has provided information or clarification about something. He explained how the world works.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
He explained the math problem. Suggest. Suggest is used to introduce that someone has recommended a particular place or idea or thing, right? He suggested that we go to Mexico. It's warm, beautiful.
You should go to New York. It's a beautiful place. Lots to do there.
He suggested that I go to New York. Apparently, it's great there. Warn. Warn is used to introduce that someone has provided a cautionary statement about a particular danger.
No, don't go in the water. Don't go swimming. There are sharks.
He warned me not to go swimming. Promise. Promise is used to introduce that someone has made an assurance or commitment to do something. She promised she would go to the grocery store for me. I can't go, I'm sick.
I'll pay you back tomorrow. I promise.
He promised to pay me back tomorrow. Admit. Admit is used to introduce that someone acknowledged or confessed to something that may be embarrassing or problematic.
All right, I stole your money.
What? He admitted he stole my money. Claim. Claim is used to introduce a statement or assurance by someone that they believe to be true. He claimed he was the tallest man in the world. She claimed she could hold her breath for 5 minutes.
I saw a UFO yesterday.
Oh, really? He claimed that he had seen a UFO. Confirm. Confirm is used to indicate that someone verified or established the truth about something that was previously uncertain. She confirmed that yes, she did dye her hair. What time is the meeting?
The meeting is at 10 o'clock.
He confirmed that the meeting is at 10 o'clock. Well, that is it. That wraps her up. I thought it was a pretty good lesson. Parts, anyway. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. If not, sorry to disappoint. See you in the next lesson.